Well, I'm doing a taste test, and I will be comparing original pickles, like pickled eggs and a pickle and garlic, and the pickle juice. I have not tasted it yet. Today is Wednesday. I made this on Monday and this on Monday. Okay, here's the original pickle. I'm gonna taste that. I absolutely love these pickles. Okay, now for the one that's in the pickle juice with a whole bunch of garlic, let's see. You get a nice flavor of the garlic in there. That's really delicious. Okay, so now for the pickle juice. Same pickles, here we go. Oh God. Okay. I think it's safe to say I'm not a pickle juice lover. Let me try a bit of garlic from it. Oh God. Ugh. Okay, now here's the garlic and the pickle juice and egg mixture. That's nice. As you can see, try to get in here. This is not soft. I'll probably shoot it across the kitchen if I'm not careful. These are not soft. They're quite crunchy. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm gonna try some egg. Normal texture. It's kind of soft. Not terribly. But it's got a beautiful, mild pickle flavor to it. Oh no, I got my hands in the way, I'm sorry. Here we go for the yolk. Now that's interesting. It tastes very much like the pickle juice and the egg, the real egg. It's really an interesting flavor. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna have that shortly. Now, for my most dreaded taste test. If you hear stomping on the floor, you know I've taken off to the bathroom. Okay, here we go. That's not as bad as that pickle. Try it again. Okay, I could drink this. I would have to sip it over the course of time, but I could do that. These, So there you have it. These are good. The garlic really is delicious. Notice how some of the veggies have gone to the bottom? They were floating yesterday after I put salt in. But things float better in salt. Just ask ships. The different salinity in the oceans determines how high or low that ship is in the water. Okay, I'm gonna work on this, but I've given you an honest taste test. Wow. Huh? Okay, thank you for watching.